good.
Sounds better.
Guess where we're at? Hey, you want to hear the post?
What's that?
Corn.
No,
That's corn. I don't know what that is.
Oh.
Hello. To Rodeo.
I was going to say. We're waiting on the RV, so we all got our car beers.
We're not driving.
Yeah, we're not driving. We're just sitting in the AC for the moment, waiting on the camper to get here so we can unload everything and then walk towards the track because all the cars are unloaded. So pretty excited. We've seen a lot of stuff coming in, so I'm ready to unload and start heading that way and make a night of it. Hey girl. Oh, we got chips back there.
Turbo Racing.
Hi, what's going on?
Where's the cows racing?
Yeah, we're better.
We're better.
They got way more
Off
followers.
the track. We're better.
Oh, yeah, off the track.
Wait.
Picture of he and his father, legendary Evan Hahn, in those matching Pepsi uniforms with a Pepsi hat with a square bill on them.
Ashley's impressed with how many push trucks are
Knoxville
here.
Nationals heat races are always tough. There's no doubt about that. But just take a quick peek at the starting lineup for heat race number 1.
At the twilight's last gleaming, whose broad stripes and
qualifiers, green flag waving. Top 3 will wait just a little bit, just to see it.
This place looks amazing. Are you set for an awesome sprint car main event, Knoxville? Let's rock and roll, boys. Upstairs to you. Your turn to make all kinds of noise. Night number 1. Grand Professional Agriculture Qualifying.
Often imitated, never duplicated, the greatest show on dirt, the world. Speed Grade Sprint Cars!
Measured response, boys. I noticed that just then.